growth hormone is secreted by? Answer A. Thyroid. The animal found in the particular area from the? Answer B. Fauna. Which one of these is not an endemic species? Answer B. Dodo bird. Which of these is not caused by deforestation? Answer A. Desertification. The bird dodo is a and dash species. Answer B. Endangered. www work in the field of? Answer A. Wildlife conservation. Which of the following is the causes of deforestation? Answer B. Both A and C. Which one of these is not an endangered animal? Answer A. Lone-toed macaw. Part of the earth where living organisms exist is called? Answer B. Ecosystem. Failure of crop due to the unusual low rainfall for long time. Answer A. Drought. Control center of the cell is? Answer B. Nucleus. Which one of these is not a part of the cell? Answer B. Organ. Which is not a type of plasticide? Answer D. Mycoplasma. Which of the following is an organ? Answer D. Hen's egg. Which of this is a multicellular organism? Answer B. Mushroom. Which of the following is not a cell organelle? Answer D. vacuole. A small space within the cell to store food, water and wastes. Answer A. vacuole. The egg of the hens is? Answer C. organ. Which of the following is not present in animal cell? Answer D. all of these. Jelly-like living substance present in the cells is called? Answer D. Mycoplasma. Dash is the largest single cell. Answer A. Hen's egg. Which of the following is viviparous animal? Answer B. human being. Metamorphosis in frog is controlled by? Answer B. thyroxine. The stage in which all the body parts of an embryo can be identified is called? Answer C. photes. Which of the following is not an example of viviparous animal? Answer C. frog. The process by which an organism is derived from a single parent by a sexual method is known as? Answer D. metamorphosis. Which of the following is a oviparous animal? Answer D. silkworm. A tadpole developed into an adult frog by which of the following process? Answer B. metamorphosis. Which gland is known as master gland? Answer A. pituitary gland. The hormone that helped in maintaining the growth of a female is? Answer A. estrogen. Which is not a female reproductive organs? Answer B. sperm duct. A sexual reproduction occur in? Answer B. amoeba. A female has dash chromosomes. Answer A. XX. Sperm are produced by? Answer A. testes. Level of sugar in the blood is controlled by? Answer B. pancreas. in human development of an embryo take place in? Answer D. Ureters. Dash is a male sex hormone. Answer testosterone. Which gland is known as master gland? Answer A. Pituitary gland. Which of the following is an endocrine gland? Answer B. Saliva gland. Sex chromosome of father is? Answer A. XY. Thyroid gland produce dash hormone. Answer A. Thyroxine. AIDS stand for? Answer acquired immune deficiency syndrome.